life. Isn't it all about leaving the impression?
Long time no see.
And not just living in style, but the style?
I waited quite a while, and you look good though to me, and stand out a mile. Come and hold my hand. My legend.
Is life about listening to any sound? Or the sound? And isn't it about feeling the power?
It's nice to see you in such a good shape.
So, if you're not leading any life, do you drive any car? Or the 8?
I like this flat roof line. And surprise, there's a second one in orange. Have you seen the extended shadow line on the kidney?
Check out the carbon fibre. You've got the air intakes, the spoiler, the wing mirrors, the exhaust, even the roof is carbon.
These laser lights are the flattest headlights ever in a BMW. High precision hexagonal.
Complemented by the signature L-shaped rear lights. Let's take a look inside. 8 Series specific stitching and piping. There's an extraordinary balance between luxury and dynamics. Let me get in here.
The instrument cluster is also new. That's the comfort mode. We got the sport mode here. And here you can scroll for different menu options.
Now, if you think that these two are going to be driving off anytime soon, well, you can think again. So they call it a gentleman's race car.
What's wrong with that?
Well, gentle racer, it seems a bit of a contradiction.
Guys, why don't we just have a look? The iconic 8 Series.
What a low-flowing roof line. And broad, muscular shoulders.
And check out these two exhaust pipes and diffuser.
For a moment, I thought you overlooked them.
What you might have overlooked is the doppia gobba, classico.
Italian classic race car style is what we would call them.
Digital key.
Okay, I'll give you that one. That is very cool.
Very smooth. Merino all over. And bicolor seats.
Check out the instrument cluster.
Right, gentlemen, I think it's time I took this for a drive. Now this is the latest engine technology, a 4.4-litre twin power turbo V8 petrol engine. What a beast, 530 horsepower, from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 3.7 seconds. Now that's what I call a real racer.
What?
An alternative to this key is available. Just your smartphone.
Serious?
One thing less to lose. So, you hold it over the door handle,
And then?
you open the door, put it on the wireless charging pad, and voila, start the engine.
So that's it.
And you can share the digital key with your friends. I got something else. A remote software upgrade to keep your car fresh and up to date.
And by fresh, you mean?
Latest software, innovative features.
And you think I can do that?
Even you can do it. All you need is Wi-Fi for the download, and you can do it wherever you want. You can do it at home, the beach, or in a club. So the next time you drive, your car connects to your smartphone and pre-installs the new software. And when the car stops, it just needs 20 minutes of me time to finalize it, while you again
Can do whatever I want.
Exactly. The car even notifies you when it's done. You come back, and it's all finished.
Nice.
Let's go.